This is a key to Worksheet 2.3 Part 1, and in this case you're dealing with Venn diagrams. And so here's your universal set. So universal set consists of all these elements. This is a set A, set B, set C. Okay? And so in Part A, they want you to find A union B. So remember, A union B is the set that consists of all the elements in A and all the elements in B. So you're going to say, so in A you have A, B, C. I'm just going to they're not going to be in alphabetical order. So that's A. Now let's look at B. So B, I have to include, it's already there. C is already there. D is not, so I need to include it. G is not, so I've got to include it. And H is already there. So that's that. Okay? All right. B, a complement. Remember, that's a complement. So a complement means um, so a complement would be the set that consists of all elements except A. So this is my universal set. So I'm going to go ahead and list my universal set. So I'm going to list my universal set. So this will be for 1B. So here's my universal set. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Okay? So a complement would be all the elements that are in here excluding A, not including A. So remember, A had the element A, I'm going to take it away. Had the element B, I'm going to take that away. Had the element C, I'm going to take that away. Had the element E, I'm going to take that away. Had the element F, I'm going to take that away. And had the element H, I'm going to take that away. So what's left? What's left is D and G. So that goes there. So D and G. Okay? All right. C complement. All right, same thing. So let's look at universal set. So here's my universal set again. It's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. So C complement, so here's C. So C complement would be the set that consists, would be the set that's your universal set minus the elements in C. So A's in C, I got to take it away. B's in C, I got to take it away. D is in set C, I've got to take it away. G is in the set C, I've got to take it away. H is in the set C, I've got to take it away. So what's left is C complement. So it'll be C, E, and F. Okay, so C, E, and F. So that's going to go here. All right, now D. All right, so 1D says this. What's the intersection of set A and set C? All right, so what I would do is I would go ahead and write set A out. So here's set A. So set A is A, B, C, E, F, and H. And then set B would be, I'm sorry, that was C, right? So set C would be A, B, D, G, and H. And then A intersects C would be what elements do these two sets have in common? Well, they have A in common, right? They have B in common. They don't have C in common. They don't have E in common. They don't have F in common, but they have G in common. That's about it. So that would be A, B, and H. A, B, and H. So that goes here. Now make sure you put using set notation. Make sure you listen braces here. A, C, oh sorry, B, and H. All right, so E, now let's talk about E. So here's E, so 1E. So I have the set B. So remember, here's a set B. So set B has these elements, B, C, D, G, and H. And then you have the empty set, right? So the empty set's this. Y'all agree? That's the same thing. All right, so the question is, B intersect the empty set. Well, what do these two sets have in common? Well, they don't have anything in common. So any set intersect the empty set is going to be the empty set. So that's the empty set. All right, so that takes care of number one. All right, number two. All right, so number two, same idea. You're doing the same thing as you did before. Okay? All right, so it's a different set. So my universal set this time is my universal set consists of these elements, and here's set A, here's set B, here's set C. So you want to find A intersect B. So this is 2A. So A is, I'm just going to go ahead and tell you what A is. So A is this set, 3, 5, 9, 10, 11. And B is this set, 2, 3, 7, 9, 11, 12. And you want to find A intersect B. So what do these two sets have in common? Remember that you're looking for the intersections. You're looking for what they have in common. They have 3 in common, right? They don't have 5, they have 9, and they have 11. So 3, 9, 11. So here's how you get it right. You have to write it as 3, 9, 11 with braces. Okay, so that's going to go here. 3, 9, and 11. All right, next one's the union. So the union's easy. You list every element you see. So B is going to be 2, 3, 7, 9, 11, 12. All right, let's look at C. So C is 2. I already have it listed. 5, I don't have listed, so I need to list it. 7, I have listed. 10, I don't. 11, I do. So there's your set. All right, so the union's easy. Okay, B complement. So B complement means it's going to be the set of all elements that's in the union minus the elements that were in B. Okay, so what I would do, just like I did with these, what I would do is I would list the universal set again. That's going to be 2C. So list the universal set again. So here's my universal set. 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then here's B. B is 2, 3, 7, 9, 11, 12. Okay? So if I want to find B complement, then I've got to take these elements out of here. So I'm going to take 2 out, 3 out, 7 out, 9, 11, and 12. And so B complement would be every element that's left. So that's going to be 5, 8, 10. Okay, 5, 8, 10. So that's going to go here. 5, 8, 10. Okay, D. Let's look at D, 2D. Okay, so 2D. All right, so here you want to find the intersection of A complement and B complement. So what you got to do first, so this is what you got to find. So you got to first of all find what A complement is, then you got to find what B complement is, right? All right, so I already found B complement, so that was this one. So I'm just going to list it. So 5, 8, and 10. Okay, now let's find A complement. So to find A complement, list my universal set. So my universal set is 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A is 3, 5, 9, 10, and 11. So A complement then would be every element of the universal set minus this. So I'm going to take 3 out, 5 out, 9, 10, 11. So it's A complement. Then A complement would be 2, 7, 8, and 12. And so that's going to go here. So 2, 7, 8, and 12. And so the intersection then, so what do these two have in common? The only thing they have in common is the element A, right? So the intersection of the two sets is this, is a set consisting of just 8. All right, so that goes here. So that will be just 8. All right, E. So 2E, you want to find A union C complement. A union C complement. All right, well, I know A, so A is this. I'm just going to go ahead and list it. So here's A, 3, 5, 9, 10, 11, right? Let's find C complement. So same thing we did with finding A complement. So here's my universal set. 2, 3, all the way to, oops, okay. So I thought 4 was in here, but 4 is not in here. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then C is 2, 5, 7, 10, 11, right? Okay, so C complement then would be, all right, take 2 out, I take 5 out, I take 7, I take 10, I take 11 out. So C complement would be 3, 8, 9, and 12. So that goes here. 3, 8, 9, and 12. And so the union, so A union C complement would be every element you see. So that'll be 3, 5, 9, 10, 11. Okay, over here I have 3 already. I don't have 8, I need to list it. I have 9, and I need 12. So there's a union. So A union C complement is this. So you're going to say 3, 5, oh, I forgot to put 8. Okay, I have 8. So I'm going to go ahead and list them in order. 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I just went ahead and listed them in order. Okay, now the next one's B complement union C complement. Okay, so based on our work now, so I can go just to our work. So in other words, for 2F, I want to find B complement union C complement. Based on our work, I already found B complement, right? So B complement's this. So 5, 8, 10. Union, I already found C complement. C complement's this. 3, 8, 9, and 12. And so the union would be every element you see. So that's I'm going to go ahead and list them in order. So that's going to be 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, and 12. Okay? So 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, and 12. So that's 2F. So 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, and 12. All right. H is B intersect the empty set. Well, that's easy because remember this, whatever B is, so B has this, you want to intersect it with the empty set. Well, the empty set has no elements in it. It's empty. So that's going to be the empty set. All right. A union the empty set. Okay, let's think about that. Some students have trouble with that understanding. So A union the empty set. All right. Well, here's A. The set A is right here. It's this right here, so I'm going to list it again. So A is the set that has 3, 5, 9, 10, and 11. Union, and then the empty set's this, right? Oops, sorry. The empty set's this. Well, remember the union is every element you see. So that's just A. It's 3, 5, 9, 10, and 11. So whenever you union a set with the empty set, think about this. Whenever you union a set with an empty set, it's just the set. So if you're going to list it, it's going to be 3, 5, 9, 10, 11, or you could have just said 8. Okay? All right. Now for this, the way you're going to do this is this. The way I would do this is for 2J, you want to find A union C complement. First, you need to find A union C. Okay? And did we already do that? No. Okay, so A union C. So here's A. So A is 3, 5, 9, 10, 11. C is 2, 5, 7, 10, and 11. So the union would be everything you see. So that's going to be 2. I'm going to go ahead and put them in order. 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, right? But now you want to find the complement. So you got to look at your universal set. So the universal set are these elements. 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's the union of A and C. Then the complement would be everything that's left in here when you take these out. So take this out, this out, this, 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 and this. So what's left? The set that has the elements 8 and 12. So that's going to be 8, and 12. Okay? So 8 and 12. All right, and then finally 2k, you want to find A intersect B complement. A intersect B complement. All right, so first you're going to find A intersect B. All right, now we already found that. That was A intersect B. So I'm just going to go ahead and use that. That's 3, 9, and 11. Okay, so I want to find the complement. So the complement would be I need to go to a universal set, which is all this. 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the complement of the intersection would be everything, every element that's left when I take these out. So I'm going to take 3 out, 9 out, 11. So I'm left with 2, 5, 7, 8, 10, and 12. Okay, so that's going to go here. So 2, 5, 7, 8, 10, and 12. Okay, so that's going to be the key to Worksheet 2.3, Part 1.